Hey guys, welcome to Carey Digital, where I teach you how to create, connect, and earn in the digital space. This week, I'll definitely be walking you through how to create video on Canva. So if you're a Canva user, then this is one of the features you really want to use, especially if you want to jazz up the way you do things, right? If you're new to Canva and you feel like, oh my God, I don't know enough in Canva, this tutorial will be perfect for you because my approach to doing Canva tutorials is for beginners. So if you're a beginner to Canva, you definitely want to stick around. So please like, share, and comment. And you can also check out the link in the bio for, everything in terms of what you need to know and all the resources I'll be sharing in this video. Thanks guys. See the video. Hey guys, so I'm going to jump right into this video. So I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create your videos. So, videos are pretty much in right now. It's been in for a good minute, but the thing is, a lot of us were sleeping on videos because maybe you thought it was just too much to do or too overcomplicated. Like, was just a lot overwhelming for a lot of people. And with Canva, which is like pretty much one of the best online graphic designing tools, you can create your videos in less than 5 minutes, right? And videos can be used for your presentation, your social media graphics, your YouTube intro, right? Because I've actually created my YouTube intro using Canva, right? And this that you're seeing here is one of my intros that I created for my very first YouTube videos. Also, it's perfect for announcement, tutorials, and a great tool for pretty much storytelling, right? So you want to utilize this tool and just this method of connecting with your audience because it engages them way faster and way better than just a static image, right? So I'm gonna do less talking and more tutorial on how to just create your video. So I'm gonna just show you what this looks like. If you watched my video on Canva 101, how to use Canva for beginners, then you would have seen this in the beginning of my video, and then you'd seen this last part as the outro of my video. Cool? All right, and then I also created another video using Canva, but what I had done was I took like a screen video recording of my mobile device, and then I uploaded it to Canva and created this simple, cool video just to announce that, hey, Carey Digital is live. All right, so if you want to create something like this, stick around for sure, and let's go. All right, so I'm going to go here and we're going to create a social media graphic, and today we're going to use Instagram posts because that's where it's at. All right, so we'll get our blank canvas here and we're going to keep it pretty simple because I know I might have some beginner Canva users here, and I always like to make my tutorials very easy to, follow. So let's go. All right, so we have a blank canvas here and we're going to just create a quick video. And for those of you who are Canva beginners, on the left hand side, which is our left panel, you'll find all the awesome features of Canva to make your graphics a wow graphic. Cool. All right, so we're seeing here templates, photos, elements, text, music, videos. And for this particular tutorial, we are going to play around with music, videos, and uploads, right? Because that's where we're going to find a lot of the awesome stuff to create this graphic. Cool. So now I'm going to just see if I can find like a cool, simple template that we can play around with. I'm going to use this one. All right. So I'm going to pretty much delete this image here. Boom. And I'm going to just use this as the mock-up, right? So this graphic will pretty much be like an announcement graphic that will incorporate video. All right, so I think I'm just gonna copy this because I'm gonna delete some elements that I might, eventually reuse. So I'm gonna make this larger. I'm gonna delete this, make this larger, right? So we're announcing something, and here I'm gonna just use this element, select grid, and move this grid to the front, so position forward, and then I'm just gonna fit it right in this little square. All right, guys, and then we're gonna go here to videos. So with this awesome section that we're playing around with today, we pretty much want to explore the video options that are there. You can get video for backgrounds, you can get the beach, you can get people, business, cities, whatever you want, and of course, you can use keywords. So we're gonna do an announcement for like a clothing store. So I'm just gonna do like say shopping. And yeah, so we're doing shopping. I'm trying to see if I can find like a nice image that shows someone who is shopping. And guys, if you're not seeing images or not images, if you're not seeing videos that you like, you can always use this tool, which is pixels, right? As you can see here, I was searching for food videos, but you can pretty much use pixels, one of my favorite sources, and you can search for whatever you want. So I'm going to search shopping. And there are pretty much other tools that you can utilize. Also ensure it's not on photos, but videos. There are other platforms or tools, sources you can utilize. So, yeah. All right, so this sometimes can take a little while in terms of searching and, you know, finding what you want. So I'm actually here. I found something that I like. One of the things I found though, guys, that I most definitely point out is that representation of Black people is not really good, right? In terms of on these platforms, and it's something that I'd really like to see improved. And yeah, for sure. So I found that video and I'm going to upload it here. So yeah, as I was saying, representation of African Americans, or just Black people, I should say, is not represented pretty good on these platforms. And I mean, if you know someone who's a creator in that sense, please encourage them to just create more and possibly like sell their work to platforms like Canva, where we can, you know, get more of us represented. All right, so I'm going to drag and drop to upload here. Right, as you can see, I have some other videos, right? And as I said, it's a clothing store, you know, announcement that I'm doing. In the meantime, while the video is uploading, I will just close out this and I will oopsie, and then I will oopsie again. Anyways, and then I will just see if I can play around with the elements here. Okay, I'm gonna change. Okay, I think I did this twice, guys. I think I did this twice. Let me delete one. All right, so I'm gonna just drag and drop. Cool. So what you're seeing here, I'm just gonna show you a quick preview. Yes, girl showing off, you know, new outfits and ting. All right, so this is great for announcements. I'm gonna change this color, which is not my favorite. Well, actually, that element, which is not my favorite. And then this element now. This is a nice soft pink, you know, and make it a bit smaller. This is not really the focus, but you know, we just have to add a little something to it. All right, cool. So I'm gonna drag this element and say new arrivals, right? We can make this larger. Let's say 80. Right, new arrivals. Cool, close that out. Don't like that color, guys. I'm so fussy about colors and stuff. When I'm doing my graphics, sometimes I really invest a lot of time and take a lot of time to just play around with colors and just the right, you know, vibe, to get the right vibe. All right, cool. A bit pale, but we're going for something nice and feminine. All right, so yeah, this is what it is. New arrival, and then now I'll incorporate like a date. I'd say, just saying spring. It's not spring, but just say spring 2021, because a lot of you are saying 2020 is cancelled. Definitely don't agree with that, but to each his own. Cool. All right. Yeah. So this is it. Spring 2021. All right, cool. So just changing the font here. All right, and as you see, we have a 9-second video with just saying new arrivals, right? You want your thing to be catchy. If you have nice images that you have done and captured in your own store or just captured on your own, you can upload it here, right? And as you've seen, I've uploaded my own images here. I've also gotten some image. I've got some image from just Canva itself that I've played around with. All right, so another feature I want to incorporate is just music, and this is just music. With the music, you have seen the recently used music, and there are also categories of music, right? So you want to be, you want to explore. You don't want to limit yourself. You want to explore the categories, the type of music, the type of vibe you're going for. And so for this one, I'm going to choose, they even have some for YouTube. So for my YouTubers, newbies to YouTubers like myself, to YouTube like myself, this is for us. All right, cool. All right, so we're going with, why do they have some called Ginger Girl? Pop. Right. So you have the option to preview, which actually woke up my neighbor's dogs that you're hearing in the background. So pop, you get a chance to preview, and if I like it, the pop music, you select it. What I should mention though, you can't choose more than one music for one design, so you have to choose just the one you want to use. If you want to create multiple designs and incorporate different music and then merge them as one, then that works. And I should mention that this is open and available for Canva for free. All right, so just ignore that dog, please. Hope you guys are hearing me. And let's get to here. Let's turn this down. It's 3 minutes and 42 seconds long. We can reduce the volume. We can put it on mute if we so desire. But for this case, we want start announcements. We want the music. We want the vibe, right? We want to engage our audience. And so now we just have the option is also trimming and choosing just a small snippet of the music, right? This is what we're doing. I'm feeling this, guys. I love music, so this is really a nice feature that I love. Yeah, so this is what it looks like with the music. Yeah, so this is just the image, quick and easy to use. You can use it for announcements, presentations, for social media. It's awesome. And then you also have the option of making it longer. And if you know you're posting on Instagram, it's 1 minute long. Or if you're posting on IGTV, it can be up to like 5 minutes. I hope I'm not giving you guys the wrong information. Let me just double check that. But yeah. So this is like a cool feature, pretty simple, pretty easy to use. And then in terms of download as video. Okay, and that's it, guys. Quick and easy. And yeah, good to go. All right. And again, if there's any questions, definitely shoot me an email at carey.dixon@gmail.com, or you can just pretty much shoot me a DM on Instagram at Carey Digital. As I said, I'm pretty easy to find. Comment below. Let me know how you like this video. Let me know if you want a longer video in terms of creating video for your presentation or creating a video for, your YouTube intro. I'd be glad to share. Until next time, bye.